If you're considering Breezy HR for your company, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. In this video, we'll walk through what sets Breezy HR apart from other HR software and help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. Stay tuned to the end, where I'll reveal how you can try Breezy HR for free with an exclusive deal. First off, Breezy HR is built for simplicity and ease of use, which is a huge draw for small to medium-sized businesses. Unlike other HR tools like Workday or Bamboo HR, which can sometimes feel overly complex for growing companies, Breezy HR streamlines the hiring process and makes it accessible for users with limited HR experience. It's intuitive and the setup doesn't take long. You can quickly hit the ground running. Next thing, Breezy HR shines with its recruiting features. From automated job postings to its easy-to-navigate applicant tracking system, it helps you find, organize, and communicate with candidates effortlessly. You can customize your hiring workflows, saving time while ensuring that no candidates slip through the cracks. Competitors like Greenhouse or Lever are fantastic, but Breezy HR provides a more user-friendly experience without the steep learning curve. Now, the third thing you should know is about collaboration. Breezy HR offers a really solid team collaboration feature. Hiring managers, recruiters, and even other departments can collaborate in real time, adding notes, rating candidates, and tracking progress seamlessly. This kind of collaboration makes Breezy HR a great choice if you have a decentralized team, unlike some other HR platforms that may feel siloed. The fourth thing, Breezy HR's candidate experience is something to note. Many other platforms tend to have clunky, slow interfaces that discourage top candidates from completing their applications. Breezy HR, on the other hand, puts the candidate experience first. Their application process is sleek, and they also offer customizable branded career pages, making it easier to attract quality talent that aligns with your company culture. Next up, Breezy HR offers excellent integrations, which is crucial if you already use other tools for payroll, performance management, or team collaboration. Breezy HR integrates smoothly with platforms like Slack, Google Workspace, and even your payroll system. This kind of flexibility sets Breezy HR apart from some of the more rigid platforms out there. The sixth thing is its reporting and analytics. Breezy HR provides in-depth reports to help you track and improve your hiring process. While it may not have the robust analytics of larger platforms like Bamboo HR, it certainly gives you enough insights to make data-driven decisions. You'll find reports that show where your candidates are coming from, how long it takes to fill roles, and even the conversion rates of different job boards. The seventh and final thing to keep in mind is Breezy HR's customer support. When you're working with HR software, especially one as important as Breezy HR, you want to be sure that you can get help when you need it. Breezy HR offers live chat, email support, and even a help center with tons of useful resources to guide you through any issues. This is something that's sometimes lacking in other HR platforms, where support can feel like a long wait. So what makes Breezy HR stand out? It's the perfect balance of user-friendliness, powerful recruiting features, collaboration tools, and integrations. Plus, it offers flexibility and great support, making it a solid choice if you want to streamline your hiring process and focus more on finding the right talent. If you're ready to try Breezy HR, just click the first link in the description to get access to their best free trial along with some exclusive benefits. Make sure you take advantage of this deal while it lasts.